Hola amigos!
This is Merk.
And this is Kremont.
Guess where we are?
Exacto, welcome to Spain. Bienvenidos a Madrid.
Welcome to the Vespa Sound of Europe tour.
It's been a long journey. Milan, Berlin, Paris, and now...
Yes, this is the last episode.
But we'll celebrate with a great fiesta.
But first, there is a wonderful city to discover.
On our Vespa Elettrica. Vamos!
Recognition, I'm on a mission. I'm paying dues, I'm in position.
Madrid is a great place to ride around. A vibrant European capital with a peculiar culture, history, art, and famous personalities.
I'm in position, I'm staying up. It's getting late, you're doing good, I'm doing great.
Can you feel the silence?
I can smell the food. I'm hungry. Vamos a comer.
Bocadillos de calamares. The more you try, the more you want. I need a siesta. Let's look for a fresh spot.
Madrid is full of beautiful parks.
They love nature here.
For real.
I feel good, man. Are you ready for the fiesta?
I need some shave.
Figaro qua, Figaro là.
El barbero de Sevilla.
De Madrid, no de Sevilla.
Vamos a bailar.
The movida is calling.
What a grand finale for our Vespa Elettrica The Sound of Europe tour.
Thank you all. Muchas gracias. Merci. Danke schön. Grazie amici. The tour is over.
But the fun goes on.
Follow us. Follow Vespa Elettrica.